Hello, it's Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm doing a video here of the top 5 industry groups for the basic members on the big Twitter feed, just to give you a heads up on what's going on. This is something I like to do, is always frame up the action of the leading groups and the leading stocks in those groups. So here's the number 1 group. It was number 1 this week. Last week it was group rank 3. 3 months ago, it was group rank 5. 6 months ago, it was group rank 91. So you can see it steadily moved up in rank. And what is the number 1 stock there? It's Netflix. We're in Netflix. It's still trending for us. There's what we have, just kind of trending up. Is there anything else to do with this right now? No, just wanted to show you the chart. The trend is up. Here's group 2. Consistently strong. What catches your eye? And this is the reason I do this, is we look at price. We look at volume, we look at the trend. The trend is up, but what happened Friday? Fell on a pretty big pickup in volume. Still a very strong group rank 2, but there was some volume selling in there. Just something to be aware of. What's the top stocks in this group? Well, I'll tell you, Biomed, Align, Tandem, those are leaders. So here we go with group number 3. Group number 3, computer, software, enterprise. Right here. Consistently strong for months. Okay, 6 months ago it was group rank 92, but it's been very strong here for the last 3 months. Computer, software, enterprise. Leading stocks in those groups. We should know most of those names. Fell on fairly heavy volume Friday. Another slight red flag. That was some serious selling. Serious selling. In fact, take a look at this, folks. This is the heaviest volume selling going back months. Months. So that's a statement. That's a statement we need to be aware of in this group. Here's group number 4. Really shot up in rank. Look at that. It also fell on heavy volume on Friday. Heavy volume. Didn't close down much though, did it? Look at this. Do a compare and contrast. Group rank 3 closed near its lows on volume. Group rank 4 closed down just pennies from the previous day's close. So yes, it's down, but it's not as severe. Bouncing off the 8th year. Here's the leading stocks in the group. We know some of those names. And then finally, let's move on to group 5. Retail Internet. It was group rank 1, fell to 7. It was 7 last week. This week's 5. Retail Internet. We know these names, that's for sure. Stamps, Baba, Etsy, Amazon. We're in Amazon. There we go. That's the leading group. What does it tell you? Down a little bit below the 8-day, fell on increasing volume, did not take out the lows from the previous day. What's the horse in this group? Amazon. Amazon. So those are the top 5 industry groups. Quick, down and dirty for you. Wanted to share it with you. The VIP members get a video for the top 25 industry groups with the same analysis. I thank you. I hope this helps you, and I look forward to talking to you all later on.